welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, subscribe, hit the like button and give me a big thumbs up. So today we are going to learn how to make a cupcake. So if you guys didn't notice, I have that picture hanged up, and if you guys didn't notice, I have cupcake makers in my dream house. And in the end of the video, we're going to pretend like we have it on the paper. We're going to put these down for now. So first, we're going to make a big, yummy cupcake. So first, you're going to make a big smiley face. Then you're going to make a straight down, and then another straight down. Once you did that, you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, enough tiny smiley faces that can hold your cupcake. But your straight lines doesn't have to be perfect, but they have to connect to this loop. Once you did that, you're going to make a side bump and then keep making side ones. And then once you did that, you're going to make an upside smiley face. Keep doing it. And then make big ones. That's your icing. Then you're going to make sprinkles. Big ones. But they have to be skinny. Once you did that, you want a cherry on your cupcake, you can make a cherry. I'm just going to show you how to make a cherry. So first, you're going to make a circle on one of the top bumps. Then you're going to make an F sign, but without a line in the middle. Then here, you know how cupcakes have wrappers like this? It has lines on it. So we're going to make 5 lines. Or you can do even more to fill the whole cupcake. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I made 14 of this, and that's one cupcake. And you can even sign your name. And that's one cupcake. And let me show you a picture. This is another picture that I made last year. And that's another picture that I made if you didn't notice. And that's one cupcake. Now we're going to do this.